So, welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadeva classes. You are in Standard 7, and this is the textbook of your Standard 7 English Bal Bharati. Standard 7 English Bal Bharati. So, we are going to take a lesson known as Odd One In. Okay, name of the lesson is Odd One In. Let's see what is given in your lesson, and I'll explain everything after the end of the lesson. So, if you have any doubt, you can ask me at the end of the lesson. So, let's start with your lesson. How was the first day of the school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner, right? So that was the first day of the school, and as every parent asks, कि आज का दिन कैसा था? So she asked, how was the first day? Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Only one Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. She said that yes, there is a new girl, and the name of the girl is Malti, and she is funny. Oh, why are you saying that? क्या वजह से बोलते तू? Why are you saying that? She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Rima, naming one at the other end of the country. Sorry. Oh, children from the state are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quickly. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi, and all. Good morning, teacher. Okay, see, she says, good morning, teacher. Mimicked Rima. Okay, तिने असं रिमिक करून दाखवलं ती अशा प्रकारे म्हणते म्हणून. Now, her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at times. I do hope and you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as she rose from the table. Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused, Good morning. Good morning. Right? Okay, so they all chorused, Good morning. Poor Malti did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, Good morning. Next thing is that Shahnaz the giggle. Why do you put so much oil? Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Malti looked offended but did not reply. And the skirt so long, said Clark cattily. Malti flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand wherever teacher asked a question. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, Sounds like a clever girl. What is this? What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Sorry, her English is so atrocious. The same may be said of your Hindi. Countered. The same may be said of your Hindi. Countered. Who countered? Let's say countered Mr. Sane. Sharply, he was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Even Mr. Sen did not like it. That night. Rima's parents discussed the matter. We put Rima into a good school and to make her smart and confident. I'm afraid she's turning into quite little snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the A English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. Oily Plant sings also, she said snidely to Clark. Crocs, you mean, giggled Clark. You were to be proved wrong. Sorry, they were to be proved wrong. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious sound and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang was decided to jeer when Malti sang, but there was such a absolute silence when they did not dare to do. They did not dare to do. Wait, they did not dare to do. They were sure to get caught. When Malti finished, the principal was the first to start clapping, followed by the teacher and students, right? Yes, so no one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Rima and Malti both got the prize. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which she readily and cheerfully gave. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now, girls from the class also befriended her. Not Rima and her clique through. They stubbornly disliked Malti. They were a stylish lot, and nothing that Malti did could alter the fact that she was not their type. They never lost they never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. Instead of ask. Right? I'll tell you what happened actually. 2 minutes थांबा. Hmm. Her voice trembling her voice was sorry. Her voice trembling, Malti said, I know my English is weak, yours is good. Please improve me. Uh, please, will you help me to improve it? I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Speaking proper English is not easy for you countrified types. Countrified means गावठी म्हणतात ना त्या प्रकारे त्याला countrified म्हणतात types. Now, Malti's face, Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort but could not find the right word. She burst into the tears and ran off. That was horrid, Rima said Shahnaz. Yes, agreed Neha and clapped roundly. Rima was shocked. Her own friend had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. Mr. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it even to herself, right? Even to herself. Wait, yes.